My name is Sophia Angela M. Seaman. You can call me Fia for short. And this is me. Born on April 18, 2008. Currently, I am 16 years old. These are my baby pictures. This is me with my tatay. And this is me with my nanay. Me with my friends, Mika, Shane and Miko. We also have dogs, Sam, Fluffy, Chloe, Ella, Luffy, Trixie, and Lilo. And last, my dream job is to become a flight attendant to travel around the world and save money for my family. Again, this is me, Sophia Angela M. Seaman. Bye!
I'm Mary Jane G. Agosto. People often calling me MJ, but I guess if you know me well, you'll probably call me Bambang. I am now 16 years old and I was born on January 19, 2008 in Barotac Vejo, Iloilo in the province of my mother. I study at Makiling Integrated School and there are 4 people in my family. I love painting. Even though I'm not that good at it gives me peace. And these are some of my artworks and little achievements. I also love watching documentaries and these are my dogs, Primo and Choco. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonna May Magsino. You can call me Jonna or May. I am 16 years old and I was born on May 23, 2008 in Santo Tomas, Batangas. I live in Barangay Makiling, Purok 5. And I study at Makiling Integrated School as an ABM student. In my free time, I enjoy browsing online videos, playing online games, and listening to music, and also taking pictures of sunsets.
Hello guys, my name is Sherwin and Domingo Jr. You can call me Al. I am 16 years old. I live in Purok 1 MTEX, Barangay Makiling, Calamba City, Laguna. I study at Makiling Integrated School as an ABM student. Now, let's discuss about my hobbies. I am interested in esports, so in my free time, I always playing online games like Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, Roblox, and many more. My favorite online games is Mobile Legends and Call of Duty Mobile because I met a lot of friends because of playing those games. That's all guys, thank you for listening. Bye.
Hi. My name is John Lloyd T. Cornejo, but call me Lloyd. I'm 16 years old. My birthday is February 12, 2008. My favorite color is green. And my dream is I want to be an engineer and I love traveling. I live in Ulango, Calamba City. I study in Makiling Integrated School. And my hobby is basketball, online games, and handwriting. And thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Emily Saint R. Javier. I'm currently in 11th grade under ABM at Makiling Integrated School. I have passion for photography and sketching. Outside the school, I love playing badminton and read books, which helps me to stay balanced and creative. That's all and thank you.
Everyone, my name is Neil Alfonso T. Pajarillo. I'm already 20 years old this year. My hobbies are writing poems. I also like solving mathematical problems and any kinds of equation. I also like playing online games, especially with my friends. My favorite color is color blue because seeing it makes my mind clear and calm. My favorite food is palabok and menudo because of their savory flavor. The things that I hate are a loud environment and crowded place, but I like it when I'm being loud together with my friends. My dream is to become a professional accountant and hopefully save up some money sufficient enough to then build my own business. I also like listening to music. Um, I like reading comics like manhwa, Korean manhwa, and many more.
Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Paz. You can call me Kat. I'm 16 years old. I was born on June 26, 2008. At the moment, I live in Barangay Saimsin, Purukuno. I'm studying at Makiling Integrated School. Now, I would like to talk about my like and dislike. I like color blue because it gives me a peace of mind. I love banana but I can stand pomelo. I always eat vegetable but I can eat pumpkin. My hobby is play online games and watching movies.
My name is Darius Andreas and I was born October 21, 2008 and I am 16 years old. And my favorite pet is cat and my brother is grade 9. Grade 9. He is 14 years old. My favorite food is pepero and chocolate and I hate ampalaya because it is bitter. And I love my mother and my girl and also my brother and my father leave me alone and I hate him because he leave my family. My mother works on company and me joined in pageant to try and I want to experience. It's my first time to join a pageant and I'm happy because it's so many experience on my pageant and I got many friends also.